Hey guys, this is Subhashis Mishra, your test coach. Today I'll help you to learn Protractor very quickly. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel to get more updates about the new learning tutorials and keep motivating me to make more such kind of videos. Let's see what is there in our course content. So today we'll see what is Protractor. We'll understand internal architecture of Protractor. We'll see different features available in Protractor. We'll see a difference between Selenium and Protractor and which one you will choose to automate UI test cases in your project. We'll do setup and installation of Protractor. We'll write test cases using Protractor. We'll see additional locators present in Protractor. We'll study how to take a screenshot and how to get your test case execution report. We'll understand page object model and we'll use it in our Protractor test. We'll run Protractor test cases from Jenkins. In the end, we'll see a few interview questions and answers. So, what is Protractor? Protractor is an end-to-end test framework for Angular and AngularJS applications. It is a Node.js program built on top of WebDriver.js. Protractor runs tests against your application running in a real browser, interacting with it as a user would. It supports Angular specific locators strategies which allows you to test Angular specific elements. Protractor speeds up testing as it avoids the need for a lot of sleeps and waits in your test, as it optimizes sleep and wait times. Protractor also supports non-Angular applications. Let me give some more backgrounds. Like Protractor is designed by Google developers to support AngularJS applications. Then it is released as an open source framework. It allows to test both AngularJS applications and non-Angular JS application. It combines the powerful technologies like Selenium, WebDriver, Jasmine, Node.js, etc. It runs tests against your application running in a real browser, interacting with it as a user would. It is a Node.js port of the WebDriver IO, which is the JavaScript implementation of Selenium framework. It is a Node.js program that supports test frameworks like Jasmine, Mocha, and Cucumber. So maybe the next question is coming to your mind, like how Protractor is an end-to-end test framework for Angular and AngularJS applications. Before understanding this statement, let's understand what is Angular and AngularJS applications. So AngularJS is an open source JavaScript MVC framework for web application or websites. It extends the HTML and makes it dynamic. AngularJS can be used to create single page applications. AngularJS is a client-side JavaScript MVC framework to develop a dynamic web application. AngularJS was originally started as a project in Google, but now it is open source framework. AngularJS is entirely based on HTML and JavaScript, so there is no need to learn another syntax or language. AngularJS changes static HTML to dynamic HTML. It extends the ability of HTML by adding built-in attributes and components, and also provides an ability to create custom attributes using simple JavaScript. So single page application is a single page where a lot of information stays the same and only a few pieces needs to be updated at a time. For example, when you browse through your email, you will notice that not much changes during navigation. The sidebar and header remains untouched as you go through your inbox. The SPA only sends what you need with each click, and your browser renders that information. This is different to a traditional page load where the server re-renders a full page with every click you make and sends it to your browser. This piece by piece client side methods takes load time much faster for users and makes the amount of information a server has to send a lot less and a lot more cost efficient. Then what is Angular? Angular is a TypeScript based open source web application framework led by Angular team at Google and by a community of individual and corporations. Angular is a complete rewrite from the same team that built AngularJS. It is very fast as compared to AngularJS. First, Angular 2 was released in 2015, then Angular 4 was released in December 2016. They have skipped the version 3 to avoid some confusions. Then Angular 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all are released. 9 is the latest one, released in February 20. So the next statement we spoke about Protractor, it is a Node.js program built on top of WebDriver.js. So what is Node.js? Node.js is an open source cross-platform runtime environment for developing server-side and networking applications. Node.js applications are written in JavaScript and can be run within the Node.js runtime on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Node.js also provides a rich library of various JavaScript modules which simplifies the development of web applications using Node.js to a great extent. Then what is WebDriver.js? As you know, Selenium WebDriver supports different languages like Java, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, Perl, PHP and all. Similarly, in Protractor, WebDriver.js is the official JavaScript implementation of Selenium. It uses the Selenium's JSON-wire protocol to interact with the browser as Selenium Java does. Protractor depends on WebDriver.js to interact with browser. WebDriver.js is packaged as Selenium WebDriver under npm package which runs on Node.js. WebDriver.js supports browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, IE, Opera, PhantomJS. Let's understand now what is internal architecture of Protractor. Let me show you the diagram first. Let me explain you the Protractor internal architecture. You will understand how it works. As I have explained you before, Protractor is a wrapper over WebDriver. Here you can see the same thing. Here you can see, right, WebDriver, and here is the Protractor. So here the WebDriver.js which implements Selenium through JavaScript and interacts with the browser or browser element. Now here we can see the Protractor. It contains WebDriver.js, means it supports all features which are supported by Selenium WebDriver plus Angular specific features. Now we can see Cucumber, Mocha, Jasmine. So these all are the testing framework. We will create our Protractor test cases using these frameworks. So Cucumber is a testing tool that supports behavior driven development, which is known as BDD. It helps you to write automation tests in easily readable and understandable format like plain English. Then Jasmine is an open source testing framework for JavaScript. It aims to run on any JavaScript enabled platform. It doesn't require a DOM and it has a clean obvious syntax so that we can easily write tests. Mocha is a JavaScript test framework for Node.js programs featuring browser support, asynchronous testing, test coverage reports and use of any assertion library. Then you can see this, right, Selenium server. and WebDriver is here. This interacts with Selenium server. Then we have browser drivers like Gecko, Chrome, HTML, Safari. We have the browser drivers, and here we have AngularJS application which is running in different browsers. So that's how your protractor with WebDriver.js works. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.